The horns on steam locomotives thing. Hey guys, Somari here. Today I'm going to be talking about horns on steam locomotives. While the concept of a horn on a steam locomotive might seem odd to some, it certainly has been a thing, and Southern Pacific 4449 is definitely the most prominent example. However, steam locomotives have actually been using horns even before the whistle was invented. Fox-sending horns were used on steam locomotives when they were new, at the time, before the whistle was invented in 1833. Here's what a fox-hunting horn sounds like. It started with early steam locomotives, and certainly continued with Southern Pacific 4449, Milwaukee Road 261, and many more. I do not think steam locomotives with horns ends just yet, as a little more recently I found a video titled Steam Returns to the Coalbrookdale, sort of, to 2026. The video follows Canadian National 5288, a steam locomotive being pushed by a Norfolk Southern GP38-2. When they approach the crossing, there are two horns heard, one of which being a K5LA. And while it might be the NS GP38-2 sending the K5LA, one of these horns could have also been on, you guessed it, CN5288. Watch and listen to precisely 2 minutes and 45 seconds into the video. While whistles are more commonly associated with when talking or even thinking about steam locomotives, I certainly find the idea of horns on steam locomotives rather interesting and kinda neat to an extent. However, if I had to name one steam locomotive that its whistle fits the best and not really as much a horn or even some other whistle, I would definitely have to say the Canadian National 3254. The links to the videos I used are in the description below. Credit to Mason Clan, Keep Hunting, and Horace Rainford.